Hi, I'm Gary, Biker's PhD. We're going to do a video. We've been doing videos on things you need to know before you hop up your motorcycle. You know, we talked about cylinder heads. Cylinder heads is the very first thing you need to know. Whether you just want to leave them stock or if you want to pull them off and have them ported. If you're just going to leave them stock, you know, we talked about camshaft, just buying a bolt-on camshaft. You can go back and watch some of these other videos on this. If you're going to take them off, you're going to have them ported, then you can buy a little bit bigger, a little bit better cam. And we talked about the different designs and styles and hopefully gave you enough information to help you to make an intelligent decision on what kind of camshaft you want to buy. Today we're going to talk, now that you've figured out what you're going to buy, what kind of lifters do you want to run, and is there a difference in lifters? There's all kinds of name brand lifters out there on the market, but I will tell you this, with name brand lifters, all right, there is only 2 manufacturers in the world. One is in the US and the other one is in China. Okay, there's only 2 places in the world that make lifters as far as I can find out. And there's a big difference between the lifters, you know, whether you want to buy US lifters or whether you want to buy Chinese lifters. Now, neither one of these have a name, they don't put their name brand on it. So there's all kinds of these name brand lifters out on the market. You know, all these other little stores you get in the catalog and you're buying it. And these stores are buying these lifters either from China or they're buying them from the US, and then they're painting them and they're putting their name on it and whatnot. And so you got your brand loyalty. You're paying for either one of these 2 kinds of lifters. And I'm hoping that through a series of videos I can show you how to tell whether you've bought a good American US made lifter or whether you've bought the other brand of lifter, which are in my opinion not very good lifters. I got a couple of lifters here. This one, oops. Okay, I got a couple lifters here. This one is I don't know if you can see that very well. This is a Chinese made lifter. Some of the difference is in this. This is a cast lifter, and you can see it's, and I'm going to take all these apart. I'm going to do some other videos. I'm going to take them all apart, and we're going to get a little more in depth of. But the metal that this is made of is just a cast metal. This is a steel lifter, so it's the machining quality. It's a stronger steel, is a lot stronger. So the hydraulics are going to be a lot. The clearances are a lot tighter. You can see the difference here in these 2 lifters just in the color of them. This hasn't been painted or anodized. Nope. I buy these directly from the U.S. manufacturer. I don't put a name on it. We could put a fancy name on it and then, you know, jack the price way up. Or whatever you want. What most people do is they buy this lifter because you can buy these for pennies on the dollar. These are ridiculously cheap lifters, and then we could set them off, have them anodized, and we could put a fancy name on it and say it's a really, really great lifter. Or we could sell you the American-made lifter, which is a very much a better quality. Using some gooder words there, getting tongue-tied. So anyway. I want to show you, like I said, I'm going to do some other videos and show you some of the differences in the lifters. We're going to show you the hydraulics of the lifter. I'm going to show you how to properly use adjustable push rods. We're going to talk about some different adjustable push rods and stuff like that. So listen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a short one, and we're going to get into it. I'm going to take these apart. I'm going to show you some differences in a Chinese-made lifter and a American-made lifter. God bless you, and I hope you have a great day.